Hello, my name is Benjamin Welding, and today I will be talking to you about the controversy surrounding the Cobb and Flower paintings of Shakespeare. The history of the Cobb painting is that it was recognized by the current owner, Alec Cobb, who after seeing the Jansen painting in 2006 at the London National Portrait Gallery, realized that he had inherited a similar one from his family when a cousin had married the great-granddaughter of William Shakespeare's only literary patron, Henry Willersley III, Earl of Southampton. The history of the flower painting is that Sir Desmond Flower, whose ancestor Edgar Flower had claimed to have acquired it in 1840 from a Mr. H. C. Clements and had given it to the Royal Shakespeare Company. The painting was studied in 1892 and determined to be from 1609. Then in 1904, Marion Spielman raised questions to the authenticity of the date of creation because it appeared to be similar to a painting created in the 1800s. The theory of the Cobb painting is that analysis showed that yellow chrome paint from 1814 had been used in the creation of the portrait. This would show that the portrait was made in the 1800s rather than 1609 as previously believed, but there is evidence that supports that the Cobb painting was made in 1609. Both X-ray analysis and infrared reflectography have dated the creation of the painting to around 1610. Cobb and Jansen painting can be traced back to the people that knew and or met William Shakespeare. Experts' visual examination suggest that the painting was from 1609 because of the styles used in the painting are similar to those used in the 17th century. The Jansen painting was determined to not be from the 17th century but from the 19th century, when X-ray tests revealed that the characteristics of the painting were similar to paintings from the 1800s. Of the portraits, it has been determined that the Cobb painting is from the early 17th century, while the Jansen painting is actually from the 19th century. X-ray tests are where a painting or a piece of work is subjected to having X-ray images taken and examined for characteristics that would date the painting. Reflectography is when infrared light is used to have a picture taken of a portrait with special cameras designed for infrared light. The picture can then reveal the initial stage of the portrait, which can then be examined and dated to the period of time in which the portrait was made. Next, visual examination is when art and historical art experts analyze a piece of work for characteristics or techniques that were common to different periods of time. Paint and brush analysis is when the materials in the paints and the composition of the paints are examined by people trained to date different materials. Examination is when people know the valid history and are attempting to fill in gaps of history that are not known up to the painting.